Hey, what's up guys? Victor Kamunga here with Updato.com, and in this video we'll be checking out the DL12 mirror dashcam. If you're considering picking up a dashcam for your car or you're looking into this one specifically, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it. Let's start off with the design. The Akaso DL12 has a very stealthy aesthetic look to it. It looks like a traditional rearview mirror but features a 12-inch panel which provides it with many features that we'll be getting into in this video. I really like how this device fits and blends in with my car without anybody really noticing that I have it attached to my mirror. Coming on to the specifications, the DL12 has a high silicon HI3356 processor, which is adequate enough to power this device. This has a camera on the front with an available connection to a rear camera, which is also included in the box. What a nice addition. It has a micro SD card slot that supports up to 128 gigabytes of storage for all of your footage. The device also has a G sensor which detects sudden collisions and automatically saves the recorded footage. This can save you a lot of time if you were to get in a car accident. Moving on, the Sony Imx 33.5 sensor allows to record 1440p footage, and the rear camera can record up to 1080p. The video sensor also provides great video quality at night, which is a must for any dash cam. You can also have a split screen view so you can see both the front and back camera at the same time. With its 12-inch display, it can provide real-time data like weather and time. The screen has great view angles if you're wondering, and it gets pretty bright even during the day, but I wouldn't recommend using the screen during the day because there is a lot of reflections, so I found myself just having it locked the majority of the times unless I was trying to access the backup camera. You can also track your vehicle with an included GPS module which helps record real-time location, current driving tracks, and driving speed. Loop recording allows continuous recording even if the SD memory card reaches full capacity, which is seriously awesome. The parking monitor also functions as a surveillance camera system while the vehicle is off. This device also has a parking assistant which automatically switches to the reversing image when you put your car in reverse. Very handy feature. Thank you for watching my review on this mirror dash cam. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are considering picking up a dash cam for your car, I highly recommend it because if you were to run into some form of issues, maybe an accident, maybe somebody tried to break into your car or something like that, this can save you a ton of money. In fact, some insurance companies will give you discounts just for having a dash cam in your car. If you didn't know that, look into that, see if your insurance company provides that. But yeah, I really enjoyed having this in my vehicle. I'm gonna be keeping it on there because I don't want to run into any issues if I was into some form of accident. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing all of you in the next one. Bye.